I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. Pressing on now in the Grade 3 Discovering Music Theory workbook, we move on to page 60, which is working through the practice exam paper at the back of the booklet, and we're looking at the 5th section of that paper, the topic of tonic triads. And as I've mentioned before, I do suggest that you try this section on your own first of all. Just go for it and have a go, and that will bring to attention any little details that you perhaps need to work on. It's always better to learn by your mistakes. It's okay to make those mistakes, better make them now than on exam day. And always work in pencil, and then you can just erase it out and have another go. So I'm hoping that you've done so, and now let's check through these answers together. So is it true or false that this is the tonic triad of A flat major? Well, first of all, we need to think, well, a tonic triad is made up of the 1st, the 3rd, and the 5th degrees of the scale. So we have A is the 1st. Of course, we'll deal with the flats afterwards. A, B, C, D, E. And A flat major has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats. So of course the A must be flattened and so must the E. And so here, this is the treble clef. This is middle C, B, A. That's an A flat, C, E. However, it should be E flat, shouldn't it? So that's false. So is it true that this is the tonic triad of D minor? Well, D minor, let's think 1st, 3rd, 5th, D, E, F, G, A. D minor is related to F major, which has B flat, so that's not going to come into the triad. And so at first glance you think, oh, well, that looks like it's okay. However, it's not, because that's actually written in the treble clef. In the bass clef, that's an F, so we need D at the base, we need DFA, not FAC. So again, that's false. Now we have a similar scenario here. However, the triads aren't complete and we need to complete them, but we need the same thought process. So G minor is related to B flat major, has a key signature of B flats and E flats. And of course, we need G to be the tonic. So there's our G, and it's 1, 3, 5, which is 1st, 3rd, 5th, so we need the 3rd, and that B needs to be flattened, so we have a G, B flat, D. B flat major has the same key signature again, B flats and E flats. If that's middle C, that's the B flat, D, F, and it's easy to go 1, 3, 5 because it's either line, 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 or space, space, space. There's our B flat, D, F. Nothing else is affected by the key signature, so that's correct. Now we know that A minor is related to C major, which has no sharps or flats. So we just need the A, C, E. All cows eat A, C, E. So we need to put the 3rd, and that will complete that tonic triad. And now here we have everything we need. We just need to describe it accurately and choose the appropriate option. So don't just keep looking at the options. Let's find out what it is and then just go straight to the correct one. So what note do we have here? That's a G. Good boys deserve. G, F, E flat, D, C. So C is our tonic. So it's got to be C something as the bottom note. And C major doesn't have any flats or sharps, so C major would be C, E, G, and because that middle note has dropped down, it's minor which is related to E flat major, which explains the E flat. So there's our triad. Of course, C is our only option there, so you could have guessed it without really thinking about major or minor. However, it's good to be thorough and thoroughly understand what's going on here. So let's think now, what have we got here? So this is, that's a B, a G sharp, G, F, E. So our tonic is E. Now E major has a key signature of F, C, G, D sharps. E minor just has a key signature of F sharps only. And so we need to say that it's major to explain the G sharp. And also we know that G sharp is our major third, a minor third is smaller. It's the middle note is raised up a semitone higher than the minor in the triad. So that's everything we need to know. E major. Now then, here we're in the treble clef. That's middle C sharp at the top. C, B, A, G, F sharp. So it's an F sharp triad. An F sharp minor has a key signature of F sharps, C sharps, G sharps, which will properly explain the F sharp and the C sharp. And so that's everything we need to know there. It's not F sharp major, because F sharp major wouldn't have the A natural. And we can see as well, it's that minor third, not raised up in the middle. We haven't actually covered F sharp major in this grade either, so that's another reason not to choose that one. And then still in the treble clef, we have an E flat at the top. There's our middle C, B, A flat. So A flat is our tonic, and A flat major has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, which will explain the presence of these flats here. And so it's that. And then in the bass clef here, that's a G, F, E, D, C, no sharps or flats, C major. That's that question completed. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and for advert-free lessons you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.